Hey everyone, today I will show you a quick demonstration on how you can do your schoolwork or your college work with ChatGPT and how you can avoid plagiarism. Now if you head over to the website called ChatGPT, you will click on this Try ChatGPT and it will lead you right to this tab. Now if you look at the bottom of your page, you will find your search bar there and you will type your assignment or for example an essay that you have to write. So let's say write an essay of the French Revolution in 200 words. And as you can see, within a few seconds, the ChatGPT provides you with an essay of your preferred need. To keep it simple and short, I will just crop out only these two paragraphs. And if you want to check this paragraph for its whether if it's copied from an article or whether if it's stolen from another person's work, you will copy your paragraph and head over to Plagiarism Checker on the website, and then you will scroll down and then paste your paragraph or your essay here. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll click and check plagiarism. Now what this will do is you want your work to be authentic and not to be copied by anyone else, right? So this website will help you check if your work or the essay was 100% authentic or original, or it was copied from another person's work. And as you can see, this website reveals that 16% of your essay was taken from another website or an article or note, and 84% is authentic. Now if you want your essay to be 100% authentic, you will take your paragraph again and copy it and then head to a website called paraphrasing tool. Now you will paste it here again and paraphrase it. What this will do is it will change the choice of words or how it says the story, and then it will possibly make it plagiarism proof. And there you go. With a simple click, your paragraph has been rephrased and rewritten. And if you copy this again and you will scroll up and paste it right here again to check if it's 100% reliable, you'll check plagiarism again and just wait a few seconds and it will show you if it is 100% reliable and authentic for your own work. And as you can see, your new paragraph of rephrased is 100% unique. That means it is not copied from another article or stolen from another person's work. And this is how you can trust your essay to be 100% authentic to you. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if indeed, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.